Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to have a mukbang, and I'm going to eat this one. This is the Korean tteokbokki. So this is the cheese. The Korean tteokbokki have this cheese. This is the cheese with the sesame seeds. You can see, and also fish cake. This is the fish cake, the Korean fish cake, and the Korean rice cake. This is the Korean rice cake. My chopstick is not good. Cannot hold. It's very slimy, guys. Sorry. And I don't know how to actually use chopstick. This one, the rice cake with the chili sauce, and some chili pepper and everything. That's it. That's all. And now I'm going to eat. Sorry if you cannot see my face. Also, actually, I'm still not feeling good. I have a cough and runny nose. So even I do have like that, I really miss eating this one. So let's eat. This is really good, guys. Really, really good. And they serve this still hot. It really tastes so good, guys. And it's not that spicy because I told the one who made this not to make so spicy. I just like a mild kind of spicy. It's a very slimy. Let's see. I like this one more than the first one because what is this? This rice cake. It's really big as of today. That they delivered me today, it's a big one, because the first one, I think it's not this big. I think it's a little bit thin, not thick. But this one is more thicker and longer. The fish cake. Okay, that's it for now. I'm going to show you what our dinner for tonight. Hold on. This is our dinner for tonight. This is fresh from the ocean. Our neighbor went there and they catch some of these clumps. See? This open one, it's still alive. Hey, 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 hey. You can see? It's still alive. I'm still kicking. This one as well. And see? Did you see that? It's closest now. It's really fresh from the sea. So this is my dinner tonight. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please do like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. You can also comment and I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. I'm sorry, I'm really not feeling well today. That's why I'm wearing mask, so that I can protect myself and the other people also. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.